SDST is on the move. This is Monday, the 14th of July, 2025. Up as you can see, 109%. We have the stock printed into an intraday high in this session of 0.7138. So it's attempting to retest that high. So uh, the the probability of it testing that high is, I think, quite decent. I can't exactly predict if it got to that, but it's decent just simply because of the fact that it came from those such levels. It has printed that in this session. Intraday low was all the way back almost 2 weeks ago, 0.1720. And also, as of the 17th of June, it plunged all the way down to 0.1834. This is not its 52-week low. That 0.17 value is the 52-week low. So the stock has continued to print higher prices. Yeah, has continued to print higher prices, not with a very steep angle of attack. It was just as of Friday the 11th and today the 14th that things have suddenly changed. The extrapolation, as you can clearly see, is for higher prices to continue and to remain in place up till August the 7th. You can't bank on that. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Absolutely no guarantee. We have, let's see what we have. If you take this intraday high of 0.1738, then it's definitely an upper projection. We have upper projections here that were in play earlier on, and they cover that intraday high. We have let's just talk about the upper projections: 0.6909, 0.7825, 0.8392. The peak of this extrapolation is 1.19. There's absolutely no guarantee that that will be the case. What else do we have? We have, yeah, we could actually try and apply. This is the daily chart. Let's apply the market grid here and see what it's going to give us. It's going to give us a range of values. Okay, the stock is trading at a premium to all of those values. So we could just have a look and see the downward projections there. We have the top of that range is 0.2812. So these are the sort of prices that the stock can fall back on. But the price pressure momentum is seriously bullish, but the derivatives are not exactly chiming in very well. We have a severely negative second derivative indicating that caution is warranted. If you're buying this, if you're thinking of buying the stock at this sort of level, if you're thinking of buying it, it's likely that it may not hold. It may not hold very well. So in the coming sessions, things may change, and we'll have a look at the 4-hour chart. It will give us a different indication, obviously. Okay, so here we on this 4-hour chart downward projection, we have them as low as $0.22. Yeah, and upper projection, I think, and then 0.5137 as a matter of fact as well. So let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, 4-hour chart equally higher prices are extrapolated going all the way towards, I think, 21st of July. Yeah, there's no guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah, we have here, I can't even see the price we have. Let's just come close and see 0.8196. No guarantee that those will print. We have no upper projections here. We have downward projections 0.2086, 0.2153, 0.2263. But we have a rejection here and a support here. We can try and calculate some projections. We take 0.4938. Let's pull up the calculator. 0.4938, and then we have the support of minus 0.3922. We have 0.1016 multiplied by Let me write it down. 0.1016 multiplied by 1.618. Add that to the current price of um, 0.5134. We have 0.66, 0.67, 0.67666. So SDST, we have 0.6778. Okay, so let's try again. 0.1016 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to the current price of 0.5052. We have 0.7711. Okay, 0.1016 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to the current price of 0.5150. Okay, we have 0.8826. Yeah, those are the projections. We have actually seen higher projection, a higher extrapolation of 1.19. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Let's have a look. The trading view, that's the market grid, and the yeah, level two. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. It's quite liquid. Being a penny stock, you would expect that you will seeing triple digit values. Let's have a look at the active trader. Yeah, as well. So I didn't even check for any news. Let's see what the news is. No news, no news. Yeah, Stardust. Okay, we could actually have a look at the 3 hour chart and see the sort of projections we have here. High prices as well, expected to keep printing. We have 0.666667. Yeah, we have something like that. Uh, 0.3355, it's down projection, not into the upside. 2 hour chart. Let's see what we have. We have 0.3040, it's a down projection. High prices extrapolated regardless. 1 hour chart, what do we have? We have 0.2631. Let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. We have downward projections. Yeah, 0.3263, 0.3574, 0.4079. The algos are not brave enough to project. We had high prices earlier on here, so yeah, here, okay, some upper projections: 0.5873, 0.5521, 0.6090. Yeah, let's look at the 3 minute chart. 0.6592, we've already covered such. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. 0.5694, 0.8483. Yeah, we have that. So then $1, 1.1. Yeah, no guarantee that those will print. No guarantee that they will print. So Stardust on the move. No fresh news. No fresh news. The indication we have here. Let's have a look at the on this daily chart. On this daily chart, the momentum is expected to. Okay, well, it's expected to remain strong up till Tuesday, up to tomorrow, the 15th, and after that, it's expected to crash. So as things stand right now, the momentum, price pressure momentum is seriously bullish. But however, we have very the derivatives are not supporting that. Maybe that's why we have a rejection. We have an impending collapse of momentum by tomorrow, the 15th. Yeah, even though the higher prices are still extrapolated to keep printing, it's just an indication. It just says that the momentum would may not be as strong as it has been of late. It may not the peak of the momentum maybe by tomorrow the 15th. Okay, let's see the 4 hour charts and see what the price pressure momentum of the 10 period moving average is indicating. Let's see what we have. Yes, seriously bullish. Serious, you can see that 107. Seriously in a very strong trend mode. Trend mode begins from 0.25 and this is at 106. Derivatives are equally very strong. So, this is a short term chart. So, if you like, it's just a balance of two things. If you're not confident about what you saw on that daily chart, this will give you a different perspective, but this is also more volatile. And when things change, this can totally change. Totally change. It can, this strength of 105 you're looking at right now could just totally disappear. So it's expected to remain strong, but not as strong. It's just keep up some amount of momentum all the way towards Tuesday, the pre-market session of Tuesday. But it wouldn't be as strong as it was probably as of Friday the 11th. So the phase of strong momentum, of continued momentum, has passed now. It may come up some other time. Yeah. So it's a mix of things. Higher prices are expected to keep printing, but it's also a bit dicey. Caution is warranted. Caution is warranted. Even though we're looking at very strong figures here for the price pressure momentum, caution is warranted, especially based on what we have just seen on that daily chart. So we have projections going all the way towards we saw 1.19 and $1, 0.8826, 0.7711, 0.6778. But this is definitely not a good time to buy. The opportunity has since gone away. You can see that it has, we've got just giving up some of those gains we just saw earlier. We saw a gain of around 108%. So you can see it's declining, losing the gains, losing value. So see what you make of SDS SDST, and thank you very much for watching this video.